Hi Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got for my 22nd birthday. Last Saturday I turned 22 and I thought it would be really fun to show you all the pretty pink presents that I got for my birthday. I was so lucky and my family and friends just know me so well and I got some really beautiful gifts, so I thought it might be fun to show you guys what I got. So if you enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. And you can also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_ and there's always lots and lots of pink content on there. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So my main gift from my mum and dad was some lighting and filming equipment, and I have currently got this set up right now. I literally just got it in the post, so I'm trying this out. I've got this massive big light on me right now, and obviously the lighting is quite different. I don't know if this is perfect or not. It will take me some time to figure it all out. I'm loving it so far and I got such cool things. So that is the first thing, and that is my main present. And then the other things that I got are some kind of Victoria's Secret bits, so I will show you that. So I got this really gorgeous little case. It's like a nice vanity case, and I think this will be perfect for putting my makeup in when I travel, because I travel with a lot of makeup. So it's the gorgeous signature stripe with black Victoria's Secret sparkles, and then it just opens up like this and there's little sections. Makeup, it's a really good hard case, so I think it will be really protective for my makeup because it's, you know, it's very precious, so it's important to keep it safe. And it's just got a really cute little zip with a little heart, and I thought this was just absolutely gorgeous. And it also matches my passport cover that I got in London. And then I also got another vanity bag which looks like this. It just is the same matching set, and then it opens up and you can hang it up on the door, and then there's little sections here, and here, and I think this would be really good for like skincare and shower gel and bubbles and things like that. So yeah, I thought this was really adorable, really practical, and yeah, I mean, why not travel in style? These balloons are really annoying me. I'm just gonna move them. I'm actually obsessed with this next thing. I got this from Victoria's Secret again, and it is a satin kimono. I mean, oh, how luxurious is this? I mean, how fancy, really. Like, it makes me feel so fancy. I feel like when, you know, in summertime in particular, when it's super hot, you don't want to be wearing a furry dressing gown, and also when you're getting ready, like you're just out the bath, you're absolutely boiling hot and you need to do your makeup and your hair, and a fluffy dressing gown just doesn't cut it. So this is much lighter and much more delicate and beautiful, and I just feel so fancy in it, so I'm loving this. Oh, it's my favourite thing. Gift from my mum and dad. I chose these myself and they're amazing. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, they're so pretty. So these are from Faith and I got them in Debenhams, and I honestly just think they're such beautiful shoes. I mean, what more do you want in life than rainbow, stripy, sparkly shoes? You can't really ask for much better, can you? So they're just absolutely beautiful stilettos, and then they've got a pink patent heel, and I just thought these were absolutely gorgeous. Very kind of Taylor Swift or Katy Perry California Girls vibes. So I thought these were absolutely gorgeous, and I wore these on my birthday. Obsessed. I love Faith shoes. They're really good. So the next gift from my mum and dad, if you know me then you will know that I like to go to the gym quite a lot, and I really like to use the punch bags, but my boxing gloves are just plain black, so they were a little bit boring and I kind of needed new ones anyway, so I got these ones. They're amazing. I feel like such a Barbie when I wear these, but they're just so cool. Why not just bring even more pink to the gym? As if my pink outfits at the gym were not enough. I'm now bringing like full boxing gloves, but you know what? I love it. I'm obsessed with them and I'm so excited to use these, and I will definitely be taking lots and lots of Instagrams with these, so make sure you're following me. Next, I really love to bake, so I got some baking things. I got these cake pop molds, and I've actually never made cake pops before, so I'm really excited for these. And I honestly just think these are going to be so adorable. I'm going to make them like the little pink Starbucks ones, and then I also got the sticks to make them with as well. So the next thing that I got was from Victoria's Sport. So I got a gym top, and it's this gorgeous kind of pinky purple colour, and I have a top already in this style but in a different colour, and it's just so comfy and really cute, and I just love their gym clothes. Currently wearing knockout leggings. They're the best leggings ever, so yeah, I'm excited to wear this at the gym. And then I got some pyjamas. So I got these little shorts. They're really cute. Like, how sparkly are they? They're so nice. And then to go with that, I got a little top. Like, how cute is this little outfit? So there's like really pretty lace detailing on top, and then the adorable little sparkly shorts. So I just think that's such a cute little set. And obviously this is my colour. Bracelet from my best friend. She got me a rose gold bangle, and it says "Have courage and be kind," which is my favourite quote from Cinderella, and then it also has her signature inside, and I just think it's so beautiful and so thoughtful, and it's just such a pretty bangle. And then I also got a charm for my Thomas Sabo bracelet, so I wear this bracelet pretty much every day, and my brother got me this charm which has a little hat, like a graduation hat, so it's super cute. Then I got Victoria's Secret, no, this is Victoria's Secret Pink 24K Coconut. So this is iced coconut times making an entrance, and it smells amazing. It smells so coconutty, like it's so good. I'm obsessed with that. That's like my favourite scent. I love everything coconut scented, so this is so nice, and it's just, the packaging is adorable, so loving that. And then I also got a coconut face mask as well from them. So it's Victoria's Secret Pink Coconut Oil Nourishing Face Mask, and it's like a whipped cocoa mask, it says, so it looks really cool, and it actually seems like there's quite a lot of product in there, which is quite cool. I also got these face masks. I quite like these ones, they're really fun. So I got a Dead Sea and clay peel off and a charcoal peel off. I love it when you can peel off a mask, that's like the best feeling. And then I also got a nice face scrub, which I really like this one. This is the final thing from Victoria's Secret, but I got this adorable little card holder, and this is so pretty because it's like kind of Aloha vibes, which I'm loving, obviously. It's got a little kind of keyring, so you can attach that to like the inside of your bag and you won't lose this. And it's got card slots and then space inside for some cash, which I think is such a good idea. See, when you don't want to take out a big purse, you can just take some cards and some money and just pop that in your handbag, like in a clutch bag for the evenings and things. So I think that's really helpful and really handy. Stationery things, I got a really cute notebook. It's probably reflecting off my new lights, but it's just a sequin notebook which can go like this. This way it's kind of like matte sequins, and then this way is shiny. It's really fun to do. And then I got a matching pencil case to go with it, so it's just really cool, like iridescent pencil case, and then a pink sparkly pen with a dolphin unicorn on top, because why not? Elwood's life, hey. So I love pink gin, and this is a very fancy pink gin. So this is Mystical Unicorn Gin. How cool is that? So you basically like shake it up and then it's like mystical. I mean, it is very magical, and it is candy floss and marshmallow flavoured, so that sounds amazing and it's beautiful. I'm very excited to try this. And I got a little baby pink makeup bag, and it just has some perfume in it. So this is the Zara Rose perfume, and this is such a pretty bottle. I'm really liking that. Then the final gift that I got is a book called Capture Your Style, Transform Your Instagram Photos, Showcase Your Life and Build the Ultimate Platform. So basically that is my goal in life. I'm obsessed with Instagram, and this book is just so pretty. The actual book itself matches my Instagram theme, so I'm going to take photos of a book about Instagram for Instagram. So I'm really excited to read this. It's by Amy Song, and I actually have her on Instagram. She's just so stunning and I love her page, so I'm really excited to learn about all of her tips, and she just seems so knowledgeable about Instagram and how best to maximize the platform, so I'm really excited. So my Instagram I'm obsessed with. I just love posting photos and sharing pretty things that I love, just like on here. I just love sharing my knowledge and pretty things and helping you guys out, so I really hope that this book will help me improve my Insta game even more. And then the final thing that I got, I actually bought this for myself on my birthday. I went shopping in the afternoon of my birthday and decided to treat myself to another Too Faced palette because I don't have enough. Basically, Too Faced eyeshadow is the only eyeshadow that I wear. I don't really wear any of my other ones, so I thought it was, you know, it was justified. So the next eyeshadow palette on my wish list in Too Faced was the Pretty Rich palette, and that is what I got. So firstly, the packaging is beautiful. It's baby pink, and then this is the box, so it's just so cool. I'm loving it. I'm loving the packaging. It's so nice. And then this is what it looks like. How magical. So basically the glitter shades here are like gel, so they basically are applied, they're like glitter gels, so you apply them with a glitter glue and they are so pretty. Like, I don't even think this camera is doing it justice. It's just such a beautiful palette, and these colours are so me. Like, there's lots of kind of gold and pink vibes, and that is definitely what I go for. So I just decided to treat myself to that on my birthday because why not? So yeah, pretty much most of the things that I got for my birthday, I was super lucky, and I really appreciate everyone who gave me a gift, so thank you so much. And also thank you so much to you guys for wishing me a happy birthday. You were all so sweet and lovely, and I felt so loved, and your kind messages and things were just so appreciated. You don't even know. So thank you so much, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and become one of my pink angels, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!